So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. I'm really sorry about these here. They are not stopping anyways. So, this is a no contact reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. Rules can be reversed also. Action can be from rear side also. Not resonating, not restoring. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in the description box for the same. For personal readings and healing sessions, check out the description box. You will find the links. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass, links are given below. Link is given below. Let's start. Okay, Pisces. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Ace of Swords. So, see, their feelings is like they should connect with you. Okay, and they feel they should clear the air with you in every possible way, with maturity, with groundedness, with stable mindset, with all of their energy, wisdom, knowledge, experience that they have got till now, till this point of their life. And then maybe you guys can be friends, or maybe you guys can exist harmoniously in this, on this planet earth. So basically this person wants to clear the air with you in that manner of, I want to clear the air with you, but with a stable mind, with a stable energy, and I'm going to talk to you about what is best for both of us. That kind of energy. This is what they feel. Let's see what this person wants from you. We have the Fool, the Seven of Wands, and the Five of Swords. They don't want you to move on. They don't want you to move on. Their ego wants you to remain stuck on them till you can. It's like not ego. You can say mind and ego are not two different things. They are one thing. So their mind is kind of telling them that you should not move on, even if they are having 3 4 girlfriends or boyfriends. Doesn't matter. You should not move on. You know, you should remain stuck on them. Okay, why? Because their ego is telling them this is bad. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 2nd of Feb. We have the Queen of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, 10 of Swords. Yeah, I don't see them taking any kind of action in this direction, because they are too much in this energy of listening to their head. They are too much in this energy of, okay, let me sort my own life, let me do my own thing, let me focus on my money, job, career, everything that's included in my stability, my security, my safety of the long-term future. So they are in this energy of, whenever they think about you, they start doing something else. They just distract themselves by doing something else, by money, job, career, okay, finances, or anything like that, something like that. So it's like this person is not taking any kind of action because they don't want to. They are deliberately in this energy of not doing anything about it, but they don't want you to move on from the situation for some weird reason that I'm not able to explain to you guys. But their feelings are like, okay, speaking their heart out to you and showing you how mature and grounded they are. Right. Wow. So I don't see any action from this person's side because they are too focused on not to focus on the situation between you and them, and working on their own goals. Yeah. So basically nothing. The guidance here is the 10 of Cups. Surround yourself with people like people who are family to you, or your literal family. The more you are going to surround yourself with good people, good vibes, good energies, and positive things, the more your life is going to be smoother and easier. Okay, for the time being, spend time with like people who are like family to you or literal family, and let it go. Okay, bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.